Yo, me no know if I Obia then Obia bounty killer and set him for post and turn him in a Mr. Posty, but this just proved to me say bounty killer as a veteran, him still not know the music business other than for record and perform. So in post Masicka, I congratulate him for the certificate from the Grammy. So in another episode, I'm going to talk about how bounty killer still a make mistake in a veteran stage and how this make Masicka career look smaller than how it already is. I'm DJ Dreadbeard and this is Real Talk.
This is Real Talk.
Real Talk.
DJ Dreadbeard, reasoning different.
Subscribe now.
Yo, people, what go on? Welcome back to a brand new episode of This is Real Talk, and I'm your host, DJ Dreadbeard. Throughout the video, if a Real Talk me make, like the video, comment Real Talk in the comment section, subscribe if a Real Talk me make, and if you want to support This is Real Talk, drop me a PayPal. The link I got in the description, and I go pin it in the comment. So yo, first thing I want to big up Miss Julia as a avid supporter of the This is Real Talk channel. Not only DJ Dreadbeard, but she supported This is Real Talk channel. So big up Miss Julia for the jingle. So yo, you see the post where bounty killer make. Bounty killer just proved to me say, as a veteran, him still not know the music business and him still a make mistake as a veteran. Like, me telling you, you know, say, anything somebody post with Masicka, him just want to see Masicka face or Masicka name, him repost it. Bro, you know, say it's a AI this. And that is not how the Grammy certificate look, bro. You see me? Well, them research it, see it up on the screen, then research it and know say I saw the Grammy logo, I go look. But it don't look like an actual certificate with a medal and watch this again. Who pose up with a Grammy certificate, bro? Like, who does that? So this is why I say it only make Masicka look smaller than how him is. Because watch the psychology, you know. If you're a diamond artist, you know, go get excited when your song them get gold. Or if you are a platinum artist, you know, go really get excited if one of your song them get silver. You're more a wait for it go double platinum or, you see me? So in other words, a Grammy winner, you know, go see him a brag pan a Grammy certificate pan somebody else's album. Or like a platinum artist, you know, go really see him a brag say one of them song them get silver over the UK. You understand? So what this mean is, this is Masicka biggest achievement in a dancehall, a Grammy certificate. So me don't know if him fans them no understand say that a go on, or Masicka himself no understand say, yo, you just approve say, you have to stay in your lane, this king thing and this goat thing. Yeah, brag pan a Grammy certificate, bro. This is your biggest achievement in a dancehall, and that the big smile on your face and whosoever met the AI, that way it a represent, you know, say, Masicka is proud and this is Masicka's biggest achievement in his career. A Grammy certificate, a Grammy nominee is bigger than somebody was certified. So if Masicka was a Grammy nominee posting this, I would have back where him a go. Like, you're a Grammy nominee, so you wouldn't want to post a Grammy certificate. So that's what I mean. You see me? So this is his biggest achievement. And bounty killer does, you know them big family they have only for auntie and uncle. Bounty killer just come like one of the uncle them way. In the on the dyslexic side or the more ignorant side. Nobody not really proud if you say, yo, I'm an uncle is. Yeah, because bounty killer will dep on the internet like him a rep for Masicka, but I shame him because look on the man post, bro. Congratulations to my artist for the Grammy contribution. One side till the landslide. Only for celebration emoji and heart emoji. Yo, bounty killer chill, bro. So hyping with this, like, yo, me I go repost this because Masicka get a next one up on them. The Gaza ship a sink. Watch this, me I repost this. Bro, Vybz Kartel is a 2-time Grammy nominee. Even if this did the real way Masicka do, and it wasn't a AI, like, it no make no sense. So that is why I say, yo, a veteran should not do them something. A veteran should automatically know, say, a Grammy certificate. If you are going to say, yo, the Gaza ship a sink, or you try big up Masicka for say, yo, him are the next king. You're not supposed to post this. You're supposed to know, say, you're not supposed to post this because this only make him look small, bro. It's a Grammy certificate. Nobody does that. Like, you know much people have a Grammy certificate in a dancehall and them no post it or brag pan it. I know nothing for your brag pan, you know. I just, because Vybz Kartel name in it and Masicka claims that him a go after the crown. Why you not do this like pan a regular day? Without Vybz Kartel in the conversation, bounty killer, you're not reposting this. You're not doing business about Masicka. That is why I said this yesterday, say, Kesnam then never fall for the trick the way. Because Bounty Killer, I big him up now, like him start run back a Bounty Killer. At that me see like the one side fans them a do. And again, why me say inna the intro like Bounty Killer him only again, and why me say inna the intro say Bounty Killer the only part of the business him know if you record the song and perform the song. This is why uno bad mind Vybz Kartel, bro. Because Vybz Kartel would enter the business with him have all of him affairs in order. Him know him already study the music business and just did a wait for boss. Remember, you can know the music business, but you don't have the clout, your name not out there. So him enter the music business, knowing the music business. That is why everybody to hate Vybz Kartel, because when you know the music business, you're going to capitalize off of everything. So when Vybz Kartel has sign artists and them thing there, and them a tell Bounty Killer say, yo, you know say, you should have signed Vybz Kartel and everybody in the alliance. Bounty Killer turn on and I say, yo, him do it out of goodness I'm art. No, I know you don't know the business and you made a mistake back then. And turn on and bash Vybz Kartel and I say, yo, look how him ungrateful. Look how me never sign him. And him turn on and sign Popcorn. So you still a make mistake in your old days like right now. You still a make some mistake because me no know who a war if Masicka feel like say him and Vybz Kartel a war or Bounty Killer feel like say yo him a do something when him repost and yo one up Gaza ship a sink. Yo bro, more while me feel like some Gaza man a do this to like some Gaza man a make some AI with Masicka and I send it to Bounty Killer, you know, bro. Because them know say Bounty Killer go repost it and it a make Masicka career look small, bro. Yeah, yo, I can't one side man so fool, bro. Me feel say some Gaza man a troll, bro. I know say yo, Bounty Killer I go repost this now, so make Masicka grin off him teeth with a certificate and send it to Bounty Killer cause I might repost it, bro. Yo, I watch this. Me just a think about this while me record. Bro, Devin the Doctor nominated for the Grammy already, you know. So in the Grammy, Devin the Doctor a bigger artist for you, you know. For the man them will love talk about say Sean Paul have Grammy and Vybz Kartel have none. So the people will love put weight on Grammy. Devin the Doctor a bigger artist for Masicka. Cause see the on your screen. Nominated once, win 0. You see me? Masicka, if I look at Masicka, him not won't depend it none at all. Because I don't think you have the part for certification. I only win and nominated. You notice who them recognize? Win and nomination. Not no participation, bro. So if you go on it and look, you're going to see Vybz Kartel nominate twice. You see me? You're not seeing no certification. Certification is not a thing. And yo, in closing, you know me always have to teach something. When me think about the certification, bro, it's like a credential where if you navigate through the music industry. Like you can show or like a label or you if you're independent. If you're independent you, if you're label, then your label can show and say, yo, you work on the album yeah, and it contribute to a Grammy. So it's like credential or qualification why them think you're artist, why them think you can do a collaboration with probably a Miley Cyrus or Taylor Swift. Remember, you know, the label I go show them say you have a certificate from the Grammy. So you work with big artists already, or you work on a project where you contribute for it get a Grammy. That's how I think the certification is all about. Not something like a gold or a silver for your iPhone. It's not something for your brag pan. It's like a business document in the music business where help you get qualification or help you get sign or help you see me? Or something you can show. So if you know go offer this Grammy thing, Devin the Doctor nominated, so he wouldn't have to brag for a certificate because I'm bigger than a certificate right now. So Miss Julia, tell me if you agree with what I say right. So like the Grammy certificate is like a credential to make you get through easy. It's a qualification in the music industry. It's a document that can make you get through faster. You see me? That's how me think. But if a real talk, you don't think me I make, drop a real talk, like the video if a real talk. Definitely subscribe if you're new. And if you believe a real talk me I make, and if you want to support the channel, the link to the PayPal, I go there in the comment section. You see me? I'm DJ Dreadbeard, and this was another episode of Real Talk. Yeah, I watched the video when I dropped yesterday, the red arrow, I hit a point to it. I'm out. Real Talk.